Alright, so good day. Today we want to have a look at the learners matters on the KEMIS app. We want to have a look at the learners. So the learner matter is quite easy. All of them, they are contained here. The most important one is this admit learner, and I think we have admitted some learners in the course of what we've been doing. So you simply click on the admit learner button. After you click on the admit learner button, you can always search for a learner here. Let's assume you want to look for learners in basic 1 and we have just one session. So you can just select the session and class and then you click on the search. So we have some learners already admitted here. When you admit a learner, the system will automatically generate the user ID and the login pin for such learners. So to admit learners, you come here, you click on admit learner. So you can fill in the learner's details. Let's just type Favor and the surname. Let's select Benjamin. The gender, that should be female. The religion, let's select Christianity. The session, we have that session, and the class, let's select Basic 2 for now. And then you click on Submit. If you realize while you're trying to admit learners, we have only few inputs. This is just to ease your workload, and these are the most important record so far that we think. So after you have done that, you can just come to the class here, select the class and the session, click on search now, and basic 2, look at Favor Benjamin here. Alright, so we have, this is the learner we just admitted, Favor Benjamin. So it has automatically generated the login ID and the pin. So now there are these three buttons here, and as I told you before, if you are on mobile, you just have to adjust it. Just scroll like this. You see what I'm doing? So you scroll like this, then the buttons will come up. This first E, this purple E, is for edit. So if you want to add more info about the learner, you can edit like the state of origin, the religion, or you want to edit any information: state of origin, the local government, the date of birth, the residential address, the academic information, and most importantly here is for the passport image. So you can either use your phone to snap directly, or you just select an image. So it's not difficult, just do that. But if you encounter any difficulty, you let us know. So that is it about that edit button. The next button is the, let's click on search again. The next button here is remove. So this is possible. It's very important after you've promoted some learners. Let's assume you mass promote learners, so those that are not in that class, they'll also be promoted during that mass promotion. Okay, so you can remove them. That is what that button stands for. We'll show you that later on when we're doing promotion. This is the generate login pin. This is to generate individual login pin. Of course, we have mass login pins here. There's individual promotion. There's a place for mass login pin. I think it's in the minor matters. Look at it, class pins. So you can generate class pins there. Let's go back. But this one is for the individual pin. So if you click on it, it will ask you, do you want to generate new password for this learner? If you click on yes, it will generate. If you click on no, it will cancel. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but the current login pin for this learner is 11252. So let's click on generate. Yes, generate. And it has generated. If you search again and then you check, look at it now, it's 53067. So if that learner tries to log in with 11 whatsoever, is it 253 or whatsoever was there, the learner will no longer be able to log in with that pin because the pin has been changed. The next one is the learner info. Here you could just see the information about the learner. Let's click on the learner info for this person, and then you see some basic information about the learner. The school logo will be here, the learner's passport image will be here, the school address will be here, the website if it is there, and the phone number, and some information. As much as you feel, they will appear here. So as you're provided the information, this page will be updated. Let's go back. The next one is the deactivate. So you can deactivate a learner here. By deactivation means maybe the learner is no longer in the school, but the learner has taken exam So you don't delete the learner's information, you just deactivate such learner. You get to know more about this deactivate button later. Why this one is the delete. So you delete a learner information. Let's assume you mistakenly admitted this learner, and the system will know that you mistakenly admitted the learner if the learner has not taken an exam in that class. Okay, so you can just delete that learner. So that is it about the learner management. We also have the login pin, the learner login cards and the rest, but we'll deal with that in other videos. We'll learn more about this learner matters in other videos. For now, thank you. I believe you can now easily manipulate this page. Thank you.